Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I am going to make an orange peel candy since we have a lot of oranges right here and most of these oranges are ready to be harvested, and I'm already like um, have enough of it eating oranges, so I want to make something different. So I am going to show you guys our orange tree. So there's actually a lot in here, as you can see. This orange peel candy, there are only 3 ingredients. It's very easy. Obviously oranges, I'm gonna make like 2 oranges, water and sugar, white sugar. Okay, so guys, here's our orange tree, and that's Casey. She is 3 months old. She loves to play in here. There's a lot of oranges. And also I am also planning to make some orange marmalade, and both this orange marmalade and this orange peel candy, I get the recipe online in YouTube, so I am also going to share it with you, but I'm gonna change a little bit the measurement of the um, sugar, because I don't like when it's very sweet, so I'm going to try it a little bit different. So guys, let's harvest like 2 oranges, like this one right here. It's hard. We are going to wash this one really good. Uh-oh. Oh, that one. Uh-oh. Look at that. Some animals are eating our oranges. So we have a competitors here, guys, for our oranges. So let's just get this one. This one right here. So I have these 2 oranges. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to a Happy Life. Today I am going to show you how to make an orange peel candy. This is going to be my first time, so it's going to be a challenge. So hopefully this one will come out good. So guys, I am going to show you the ingredients. Very simple. So here we have 2 oranges. I already washed it really good. Um, a cup of water, um, 1/4 cup of white sugar. So you can actually use a half cup of white sugar, but since I'm not into sweet, so for now I'm just going to use a half cup, since when you're done cooking your orange peel, you can roll it in uh, additional sugar. So what we're going to do first is to take out the peel of this orange. So hopefully this is easy to take out. So like this one. It's this this one is still hard, so but please bear with me. So, and then if you want, you can take out some of these excess here. You can take it out. And then let's just say you're done taking the excess. What you can do is to cut it into strip like this. So up like this one. Then you can do this, you know, all of this one like this one. So I'm just going to show you when I'm done, okay? So guys, these are the peel that I cut into strips. Now we are going to boil this one for maybe 30 minutes to take out the bitterness of the peel. So, and then I will gonna show you, okay? So we're going to boil this right now for 30 minutes, and we will try it. If it's still bitter, we're gonna boil it more, okay? Cover it. So while our peel is boiling, we can prepare a cookie sheet, a parchment paper, and a drying rack. If you have bigger than this, you can use it. It's much better since I don't have any bigger than this. So I'm gonna use it for the meantime to dry our peel after it was dipped in boiling water and sugar, okay? So after 30 minutes, I strained the peel like this, and I tried it, and for me it's perfect. So what are we going to do now is to make a what we're going to do now is our 1 cup of water, and then 1/4 cup of sugar, and then we're going to wait until this one will totally dissolve. So now the sugar is totally dissolved. Make sure that you put your heat into medium, and then you can add your peel. So if you like it really sweet, instead of using 1/4 cup of sugar, you can use a 1/2 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. But since I don't like it when it's too sweet, plus you know you use sugar when this one is done, like when the water is become low, you can take it out and, you know, dry it, and then you can toast it with sugar. So I will show it to you later. Since the water have already subsided, so we are going to put this one in the rack to dry it. This. So I just dried it, guys, for about 2 hours now. I'm going to dip it in the sugar. It would be better if you can dry it in 1 to 2 days, but since I'm dying to eat it, so I'm gonna dip it in the sugar. Then just transfer it here. And then I'm gonna show you the finished product, okay? So here's the finished product, and I still have some here left. I just decided to let it totally dry, maybe tomorrow or the following day. And this one is, I'm going to eat it today, and as you can see, it's really looks nice. And actually it tastes good. It's not too sweet because, as you can remember, I only use 1/4 cups of sugar, and you can taste the orange in here, and it's not bitter. So hopefully you learned something from this video, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Bye.